Adjusting your Phantom Wallet login is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Phantom Wallet, a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies such as Solana. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If you have not already done so, you can download it from the official Phantom Wallet website. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar to open the wallet. To adjust your login, you will need to access the wallet settings. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the wallet window and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Wallet Settings page, where you can adjust various options, including your login credentials. To change your password, click on the Change Password option and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new password, and then confirm your new password. It is crucial to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your wallet. In addition to changing your password, you can also adjust your wallet's login settings to require a passphrase or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. This adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. It is also important to note that Phantom Wallet offers a feature called Seed Phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your account. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location, as it can be used to restore your wallet and access your funds. In conclusion, adjusting your Phantom Wallet login is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions to secure your wallet, you can ensure the safety and security of your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always choose a strong and unique password, enable additional security features, and store your seed phrase in a secure location. By doing so, you can protect your wallet and your digital assets from unauthorized access.